at page number 32. Because whereby certain candidates with
उसका जो पैरा 2 है ना, परमेश्वर ने जो बहस की है, गलत बहस की. And we have passed an order yesterday. The similar order I'll follow. I'll reject it.
but
नहीं ना, केतन बताओ ये केस है. उन्होंने कहते कि earlier judgment में those B.Ed courses were not non-suited. Whereas in Devesh Sharma's case, particularly the only issue was the 2018 NCT notification, which has permitted B.Ed with this course as a person eligible for appointment to the basic school teacher. And Justice Dhulia has written a tremendously well judgment. Para 51 of it records that NCT regulations. Para 32, 37, 67, 63 and 67. It says you are not eligible. It records in multiple. पढ़ के बताएं आपको. पढ़ा ना आपने?
I have gone through it.
तो फिर कहाँ से हो गया? Merely because an interim order is passed. So yesterday, अभी वो साकिब, अरविंद शर्मा, आयुष गौड़, पांच लेके आए.
I am aware.
तो इन्होंने ये सोचा कि अब मैं उसको लगा ही देता हूँ जजमेंट. We have not ignored it. We have dealt with it. We say no. And आपने वायरस
my submission to this
rules have not been challenged. ये तो खाली जाएगा.
नहीं I am not challenging the rules. I am only claiming my prayer is for mandamus. They were for certiorari. Therefore in the single match my prayer is for mandamus.
You cannot sir.
Because this would be discriminatory. Certain candidates only because they have approached the Supreme Court they are allowed to participate.
Sir, we have passing an order. Yes, we are following the Honorable Supreme Court's final order passed in Devesh. The order which you are referring is the interim order.
I bow down. My final submission would be that Devesh Sharma has been considered in this judgment. And secondary be it erroneous. They were present before Supreme Court also. Honorable Supreme Court, they were present. Be it erroneous, but the order stands. Honorable. So I am claiming parity. Only I may be permitted provisionally and my writ may be disposed.
As ये डिस्मिस हो जाएगी. As इसको दिखाना है. कौन नहीं सकता ना वो जो इंटरिम का ऑर्डर है ट्रांसफर पिटीशन में वो अगेंस्ट है देवेश शर्मा की जजमेंट. हालांकि पैरा 1 में देवेश शर्मा को रिफर भी किया हुआ है.
अभी लिखा है मेयर रेफरेंस है. वो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द काउंसिल दे हैव पास्ड आउट.
हां उन्होंने कहा कि अर्लियर दे वर नॉट नॉन इन अर्लियर जजमेंट. हालांकि उन्होंने साकिब ने ये भी बहस की कि देवेश से पहले कभी हम नॉन सूट नहीं हुए थे.
नहीं नॉन सूटेड ही थे.
देवेश से पहले नहीं थे.
Since the matter is sub judice, I cannot say anything on the merits. Therefore, I have not even whispered on the merits. In my whole petition.
Cut off date 11th of August. You know what happened on those petitions. Therefore, you have done it.
But it would amount to discrimination because certain candidates only because they have approached the Supreme
Court. petition तो यही है. अभी लगेगा 4 दिन बाद खाली कर देंगे उसकी. नहीं इंटरव्यू तो किया है. It will be coming to us someday. Suppose नहीं है ना. The Devesh Sharma judgment is authority, isn't it? Is not it?
It is authority, but certainty does not exist. What happens
certainty in Devesh Sharma.
What happens in the future nobody knows. Right now certain candidates are provisionally allowed. My humble prayer is I may be provisionally
rule challenge नहीं है ना इनका.
Rule भी challenge नहीं है. Rule I need not. I have
5th of October 2025 they have amended the rules. बहुत सोच के आयुष ने ड्राफ्ट किया है. हाँ ने बहुत सोच के किया है. He knows everything. Thank you. So rule भी challenge नहीं. I am for the interpreter that is on the board.
They have perspectives. They don't have any locus.
No. We are the eligible candidates. We are the 2-year diploma holder candidates. On account of their कुछ नहीं आपको कुछ नहीं सुनना है उनको सुन के कर दिया. हाँ वो application है record में. That has already been filed. That is on record now. Online. बोलिए सर अभी बोलिए.
On the basis of Devesh Sharma, the issue has been referred to larger bench in my case.
Where?
Here in our case, because.
No, there is another judgment of 272 of 2024, in which the court has. No, that's.
Devesh Sharma is upon 2018 amendment. So, my recruitment, my case was before that, but issue Devesh Sharma whether will apply.
They simply say B.Ed with this course should they be applicable. Since the rules have, and you have not changed the rules. There are rules. 5th October 2025. You have not challenged. What file will you call it?
I need not because how can this issue be dealt here because it is since it is sub judice before Honorable Supreme Court. Because challenging it here would be a futile exercise. Therefore, I am only on mandamus.
Then you should have gone to the Supreme Court. Issue has already been decided.
Since what they say, I should have gone to.
No, you should not have gone. You are right here. We don't say you have wrongly come.
If we had gone to Supreme Court,
you have rightly indicated somebody has been permitted. We should also get the.
Yes,
order. You will not get. We are dealing with your arguments. We have taken note of this this transfer petition also.
Yes,
we have taken note of we have taken note of Devesh Sharma's judgment, which closes the door. And this is the interim order, there is the final order. And the precedentary value is the final order. That's it. The interim order has no precedentary value. Next.
I have ordered.
Pursuant to the Devesh Sharma order, the NCT has also issued a notification. Same thing. Therefore, thereafter nothing remains.
He has not wrongly come. He has reason to come. We don't say he is wrong. No. There is somebody who has been permitted. So we thought we will also be permitted. He is right.
हाँ, वो तो interim order है.
We say we will not permit.
Interim order कोई precedent तो है नहीं.
Thank you.
उससे arguing